security are advantaged. And then I think most customers, when they move to the cloud, they want to come with the same software they're used to using, but use it in the cloud in the same systems integrators. And we just have the broadest ecosystem of anybody else. And so that customer experience continues to be, I think, the best of what you can find. If you look at how we grew in the last quarter, it was our fastest growth in quite a while, but it's, sometimes people get confused by percentage, year-over-year percentage growth.
Well, you're bigger and you're
growing.
I mean,
it matters based on the foundation, the base. And so if you look at the absolute dollar growth, AWS grew by the most by a fair bit. And so we're continuing to extend that lead. And, I think in the AI space, I think customers are ultimately going to partner with the companies that have a full stack offering. Everything from the models you need to build AI to the ability to customize those models earlier so that you can use your proprietary data, your secret sauce, to train your models earlier for your own applications and agents, the ability to build agents and to run them securely and scalably, the ability to use a bunch of different agents even if they're not your own, and the ability to have inference be much more cost effective through custom silicon. And so I think those are all, real advantages for us. And I think if you couple that with the fact that most companies are going to we're in this really interesting stage of AI adoption, in my opinion. It's very barbelled. So you have a lot of use by the AI labs who are consuming gobs and gobs of compute right now, and maybe a runaway app or two like ChatGPT. And the other side of the barbell are enterprises who are really using AI for cost avoidance or productivity, customer service, business process automation, things like that. But the middle of that barbell are all the enterprise workloads in production that are not using inference yet, that will. And so we're still at this relatively early stage. I believe that middle part of the barbell is going to be the largest absolute segment. And I think when enterprises get to deploying their production apps using inference and AI, they're going to want those applications to run close to the rest of their other applications and where their data is. And just the largest amount by a fair bit resides in AWS. And we're making it easier and easier for customers to be able to run their core workloads with their AI workloads. So, I really like the pace of innovation. I really like the customer experience, and I like the products that we're building that customers are seemingly enjoying.